This experiment is to show the speed of electricity. What I've got here is a wet piece of paper, so that acts as our conductor. I've got it connected just to a battery pack here. It's a high voltage battery pack, and what I've done is I've put on some potassium permanganate crystals, just a simple crystal in the middle, letting it dissolve ever so slightly because it'll just make it work better. And then what I'm going to do is see how the effect of a voltage, a potential difference put on here, makes to the ions. So as this dissolves, you basically got electrolysis. The permanganate separates from the potassium, positive and negative. And if I turn the voltage up, which you can't see on there because it's such a good conductor, but I put that on fairly high, what you'll start to see is over time, and I'll let the stopwatch run so you've got some sort of scale, you can see the speed of the ions actually moving. Okay, so as the stain spreads out, it was radiating almost in a perfect circle, and now we've put the potential difference across that section there. You're starting to get a much more bigger spread, as you can see, towards the red end, which is the positive end. So we have some negative ions moving along, and what we'll do is I'm going to stick a ruler next to it so you can see the scale on it. So I've been running for about a minute now, and go from the centre. That's getting on towards 1 centimetre now. So electrons, ions, wet paper's a fairly good conductor, but the electrons and ions are not moving rapidly through that. Electricity is not fast, the energy is fast, but the actual electricity itself, the electrons, is fairly small. You can still see how it's going sideways, so this is a parallel set of plates. These two pins means that the voltage is everywhere, so it's still diffusing sideways, but it's diffusing with a drift velocity along to the right, and we're up to around about 1.2 centimeters. Let's see, we can do some maths with it. When we get to the 2-minute mark, coming up, there we go, and in 2 minutes it has gone 1.4 centimeters, so 14 millimeters in 2 minutes.